The process for how to resell sneakers is pretty simple. You find used or new sneakers with a high resale value. You then buy multiple pairs at a competitive price, and then seek out the best place to resell them to sneaker enthusiasts for a healthy profit. Before you buy a shoe to resell, you need to make sure it'll actually have value on the secondary market. Most shoes would actually fetch less than retail at resale, but a select few will let you double or triple your investment. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. To start with sneaker reselling, you have to build your inventory. But how to actually get the shoes in the first place? Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is the very best place to find steals, period. Here's how it works on the Facebook Marketplace, and it's pretty simple. Alright, you find the shoe you want. Then you take into consideration the condition, and then you have to see what the shoe is selling for on the resale market. You can check either on eBay or StockX. By doing so, you can get a good idea of what the pair is valued at on eBay or StockX, and how much actual profit you are expected to make reselling the pair of sneakers. It's always better to go for $30 to $60 profit margin for which you can resell the shoes. Do this for 10 shoes in a day, and you will be making around $300 to $600 in profit per day. eBay. eBay is arguably a lot better option than the Facebook Marketplace in some cases. On eBay, you find a shoe you want, bid for it, and just make your offer. And since you're already on eBay, you can find the resale value of the shoe in just one place, so you won't have to open up another tab to check the value of a shoe in the aftermarket. And here, the one who arrives first has the best chance for success. You have to set notifications for when certain shoes are listed, because all the steals go. You have to be one of those people who are constantly on top of it. Instagram. All you have to do is send a direct message to the seller. Once you've been communicating with the seller, who sends enough pictures of the shoes to convince you they are real, but it can be very dangerous because it's easy to get scammed, and it's easy for somebody to send you some fakes. But here are some ways to protect yourself. Research the seller. Read the comments and reviews of other consumers on the seller's social media accounts and website. Review the seller's website carefully to make sure it is secure and legitimate before making a purchase. If they say they are an unauthorized reseller, verify that claim. Use a safe payment method. Apps like Venmo, Facebook Pay, Cash App may seem like convenient ways to pay, but this kind of app was designed to allow friends, family members, and coworkers to send each other money. If you buy anything, use PayPal goods and services, because then you're protected if something goes wrong. Don't be pressured to make a quick purchase. Many scammers try to pressure you to buy, even if the deal doesn't feel quite right. They may claim this is the last pair of sneakers they have in stock, or it's a deal that won't last long, because the sneakers are a collectible pair worth much more than their selling price. Never purchase under pressure. Do your research first, then buy. Outlet stores. It's just like any other store, but everything's on sale. Nike, Adidas, all these stores have outlet stores where everything is on sale. Check your area for any outlet malls or stores where you may catch some retros or even some Air Max. Here you can find shoes that are already marked down 20%. If you become a member of BrickRadar, figuring out how to find steals on shoes can be very easy. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.